snow-covered mountains. These outrageously colourful and cocky parrots have defied the odds, making Australia the land of parrots. The general rule for the blokes here is to be as colourful as needs be to attract a mate, without becoming a neon lure to predators. The king parrot is brash, while the green feathers of the red-cheeked parrot blend into the foliage. He relies on his sexy red head and bright beady eyes to get the girls. The male is green, and the female red. So strikingly different are they that for a